Assalamu alaikum, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making mouth-watering meatballs in a rich tomato sauce that's gonna be served on a baguette with grilled mozzarella cheese. You're really gonna enjoy it. Let's get started. Shallots instead of onions as they are less overpowering. Thinly slice. Medium heat, touch of olive oil. In goes the shallots. Cook until golden brown. Mozzarella and basil, garlic clove, red chilli. Turn this into a fine paste. In it goes. Mix and slightly brown. Roasted red pepper. Chop it finely. Mix and let it cook for another minute. In goes the passata. For some sweetness I'm using ketchup, some lemon juice, half a cup of water. Mix and let it simmer for 10 minutes. While it's simmering you can add in the salt, black pepper, oregano, thyme, parsley. Add it in. Give this a good mix, and once it's done with simmering, just turn off the heat. Your sauce is ready. For the meatballs I'm using here lamb mince, garlic granules, red chilli, coriander powder, pinch of black pepper, salt. Crack in 1 egg as it helps in binding. Finally chop some fresh coriander. Do the same with the parsley. Mix them and chop again. Add this in. Wash your hands and give this a really good mix until it starts to come together. Just like that. Grab some of the meat in your hand. Roll it slowly while squeezing slightly in your hands. Should not be bigger than a golf ball. Dust in some flour so we get a nice crisp when we fry them. Medium heat, touch of oil, spread. Start adding in the meatballs but don't overcrowd. Cook them until brown, around 8 to 10 minutes. And make sure to brown them from all sides so they are evenly cooked. Once done, just remove it on a plate. Add the meatballs in the sauce. Give this a good mix and it's all done. A tiger baguette. Cut it in the middle. Toast it. Put the baguette on a baking tray. Add in some of those meatballs. Thinly sliced mozzarella cheese. Under a preheated grill at 230 Celsius for 5 minutes. Sprinkle of some coriander and parsley. Beautiful. So here you have my mouth-watering meatballs in a rich tomato sauce on a baguette with grilled mozzarella cheese. Hope you guys gonna enjoy this recipe. Please do share with your friends and your family. Thank you very much. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Alhamdulillah, looks delicious. Wow. Oh, it's so good. All those spices and different flavors. The meatballs are perfectly cooked and the sauce is just like the icing on the cake. Make it for your mom, make it for your dad, make it for your family. Enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Take care. Enjoy my video.